Hi team, Roboman New Zealand here, Chris. Hi, I'm in Taneatua at the rugby fields today, which is Friday. I've done some mowing on Thursday. We line marked today for this game on Saturday. Well, the first time we mark it with the RM21 from the FJD RM21 with the RTK line marker. You can see little bits and pieces come out if your goalposts are off or if your lines are off slightly, and the marker is really putting down things fairly accurate on a level of 2 to 3 centimeters. Lines are absolutely straight, which is awesome. I'm here with Mark, which is the groundskeeper or the guy who's done the line marking in the past. The fields are getting mowed by district council, which is a bit of a pity. Sometimes they just come in with their heavy machinery and cut off, basically making hay. So there's a lot of leftovers, so we can't see really the striping we've done on Thursday with the mowing. But we mulched a lot of the big stuff down, but you can still see a lot of the brownish stuff being on top, which is a bit of a pity. So we had to clear the lines a bit that the line marker went through to mark the lines. But as you can see out the bird view, the lines are clearly visible, absolutely straight. Looks really, really, really good, and be more than ready for Saturday game. So yep, looking good. And if you have any questions, just give us a ring on 027 66 44441. Talk to us, please. And you guys have an awesome day. And thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.